So I'm making this video because I had purchased a Whirlpool microwave from Lowe's for $100. It was $104. Trying to find the model number. Anyways, it's a top mount microwave. So the way these mount, you have these little spots that receive a retention nut like this, and Whirlpool sends you the hardware pack. These are your mounting bolts, but they are not the same thread as your mounting nuts. So what happens is you'll have your microwave in position, and it's very awkward, especially if you're doing it by yourself, to mount a microwave above your stove, in through a cabinet. You get up there and then you go to put your nuts or your screws in, and they're not going in. So what'll end up happening, the weight of the microwave might be on an angle to where it feels like they're stuck and won't come out. So it looks like what this person did was thought they couldn't get them out, or they probably couldn't get them out, because what happens is these are just a little retention. So if this retention loses and pulls out, then the screw is stuck spinning around freely inside your microwave. And that's why they had to cut their screw off and then return this microwave to Lowe's. So to avoid that, and I'll try and find the thread count for this and put it in the description below, you're going to not use Whirlpool's mounting hardware, or simply just, before you mount it, make sure the hardware fits. Quickly, the reason I purchased this one is because my microwave that's 3 years old turned on, and everything looked good, but didn't heat. So there's 3 parts that could potentially be the reason for that. And the first part's going to be your magnetron, and then your capacitor, and the last part's going to be the diode, which connects to the capacitor and grounds it. The magnetron and capacitor can be troubleshot with a multimeter. However, the diode, and a diode is essentially a check valve for electronics. It only lets electricity go one way. You need a 9-volt battery connected to your multimeter to check to see if this is faulty. The capacitor stores electricity, and microwaves are very high voltage. The magnetron multiplies the voltage to, it's crazy, apparently over 5,000 volts or up to 5,000. So you need to take a pair of insulated pliers and ground out the capacitor prior to even messing with any of this, because you could definitely get shocked and die. I'll also put the model number when I find it in the description. Good luck.